In order to construct a center of rotation, you need to construct two perpendicular bisectors, and the point where those perpendicular bisectors intersect is the center of rotation. So let's construct a perpendicular bisector for number 11. You can open the compass from any point, any vertice that you want to its corresponding vertex. So how about we do D and D prime? So you're going to place one end of the compass. Let's place the clear piece at one end and the hole at the other. So from D to D prime. And with that distance, you need to make an arc about a little bit more than half of a circle. So then you're just going to flip it around and do it again. So that same distance, so you shouldn't have to adjust anything with the compass. Okay, so this time I have clear piece at D, and then the hole is going to be at D prime. And again, you need to make a little bit more than half of a circle, because what you need here is the two arcs to intersect in two places. So you can see towards the top and towards the bottom. Now, in order to draw in the perpendicular bisector, just use your straight edge. Is this going to be red? Yes, it is. Okay, use your straight edge, and then just draw a line going through the intersection of the two arcs. Okay, so we have to do this all over again, but for another pair of vertices. So how about we do, let's do A and A prime. Should fit okay. Okay, so I'm going to put the clear piece at one end, A, and then open it up so the hole is on A prime, and we're just going to do it all over again. So again, about half of a circle you need, sometimes a little bit more. Make sure you really focus on the arc that you made, because when you see the arcs for the D's, it can be a little bit confusing. So if you want to use different colors, you can. Okay, so this time flip it around, and one end at A prime, the other end at A. Again, you already have that distance. You don't have to change anything. Okay, you need about half a circle because you need the arc to intersect, in two places. Once you do that, try to focus in on, the arcs you just made. It's clear that you can tell the ones in the bottom here, but the ones in the top might be difficult to see. Remember, we just did A, so I kind of follow usually with my fingers. I kind of follow up until I get the intersection, which is right here. Okay, so draw on that line. And once you do that, what you want to do is, let me switch back over here. I'm going to use a different color. Let's switch to green. Okay. The place where the two perpendicular bisectors intersect, okay, this is kind of sloppy, but right there, that is the center of rotation. So make sure you put that point where the two red lines that I have, the two perpendicular bisectors intersect. That's your center of rotation. So